Welcome back, everybody. So let's talk about what exactly a mineral is, and then we're going to talk about how you could tell different minerals apart from one another. So if you want to be a mineral, then there's 5 things that you have to do. First, you need to form naturally, nothing artificial. You need to be solid. You need to have no organics, no living matter, living material, or once living material in you. You need to have a specific internal structure, which is orderly, like a crystal, and you need to have a defined chemical composition. So to illustrate this, we're going to play a little game I call mineral or nah. So first would be ice. Well, let's see. Naturally forming, solid, inorganic, specific internal structure, ice crystals, and a defined chemical composition of H2O. So, mineral. Well, what about bones? Okay, form naturally, solid, but these are organic. So the answer is no. What about water? Well, it is naturally occurring, but it's not solid. So the answer is no. So what about fossils? Well, it's complicated. Some fossils are cases where an organism has had its shell or hard parts replaced by minerals, in which case the fossil would be a mineral. In other cases, though, you can have preservation of soft tissue. Sometimes it's just the imprint of this organism, so sometimes these are minerals and sometimes they are not. For example, you can have a spider which has been trapped in tree sap, sticky stuff. It's called amber, and it is not a mineral because it is organic. You can have the preservation of the soft tissues of an organism like this, kind of mammoth. This is also not a fossil. It is too organic. But a lot of fossils, this is just a case where the shell of an organism has left some sort of shape which has been filled in later with earth materials, in which case this would be a mineral. And what about coal? Well, let's see. Solid? Yes. Naturally occurring? Yes. Organic? Also yes. So, no, not a mineral. Well, what about quartz? Solid, inorganic, naturally forming, defined crystal structure, defined chemical composition. So, yes, this is a mineral. So what's going on here? Well, this fellow is making steel. Is steel a mineral? Well, this one is not naturally occurring. It is man-made, so this is not a mineral. On the next section, we go into depth on the characteristics of minerals, what makes them unique, what makes them different from one another. How can you tell one apart from another mineral that looks just like it?